What happens when ice goes in water?
It kind of melts a little.
It kind of melts a little, absolutely.
And then it just turns into like some more water.
And then it turns into some more water, exactly right. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to see what happens, see if we can change the way that ice behaves in the water. Because we kind of have an idea of what it already does, right? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have two beakers in front of you, right? We're gonna go ahead and put baking soda in one of them. So go ahead and take a scoop of that and just pour it into your beaker. Oh, just like this.
Got a little bit of this one.
Oh, cool.
A little more in that one.
Right in here. And then we're gonna go ahead
Good job, honey.
and we're gonna pour water, maybe up to about here. We're gonna pour some water into both of your beakers, okay?
Okay, Mommy, I'll help you, okay? Hold on.
Yeah, good job. Yep. Okay, so that's perfect. And let's use our observation, our powers of observation, because we are being scientists right now, because we're changing things. Let's use our powers of observations. What do you notice that's different about these two? Take a look.
That, like, there's just one bubbly and the other is just clear.
Yeah, so maybe it's some texture, the bubbles in there. What other kinds of things do you observe?
Well, like you can see through this one,
Uh-huh.
and this one you can't really see through.
Absolutely.
You're so
one
smart.
Of them, one of them is transparent, and one of them is not. So go ahead, and I want you to put your caps on both of your beakers.
You know how to put the caps on, Andy?
You gotta twist them.
Yeah, you gotta twist them really hard. Make sure they're nice and tight. Just make sure they're nice and tight.
Good job. Twist all the way. I'll help you. There you go.
Yeah, it's kind of challenging here. Let me help you with this one too.
Oh, nice and tight.
All right. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and shake
You shake up.
the one with the baking.
Look, I already shaped it.
You can just shake it. You gotta shake it. Oh, is it kind of leaking a little bit? Yeah, sometimes these caps are. But just go ahead and shake it as best you can.
Shake it really good, Andy.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake a little shake dance. Yeah.
Shake it like the eggs in music
Go ahead
class.
and shake it, and then I want you to set that down. Go ahead and shake your other one. Just so we're doing the same thing for both.
Shake the red ones.
But there's no baking soda in the other one.
Okay. Shake it.
Done.
Shake it. No.
Done.
You shook it and nothing happened.
Yeah, because that one had no baking soda.
So go ahead and now take a look and observe again what your beakers are looking like. Do they look pretty much
Put it
the
back
same
in
as
there.
you did as they did before? Do they look any different?
They didn't look the same as before. Is because nothing happened in this one, but something happened in this one when shaking.
Whoa. So something happens in the one with the baking soda. So let's go ahead and unscrew the lid. We're gonna unscrew both of these lids. Little tricky, but I hear you. Yes, you can. What's the magic word, lady? Yes. Okay, so we've got our water, and let's go ahead. Do you need help getting it off? No. Okay. That one's tight. That one's on there nice and tight. Okay, so we're gonna take our ice cube. We're gonna drop it into. I'm just gonna drop it in because they are gonna stain your fingers. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop it into your water and tell me what you observe. And look.
What do you see?
What do you observe? What do you see?
Oh, it's turning blue, like the actual blue.
So it's turning blue? Is that dye kind of behaving a little interestingly? It looks like it's kind of falling almost in ribbons. Or like it's like a big piece of, I don't even know what. What do you think it looks like?
It's like it's getting dyed. Like
Yeah.
the ice cube's going to melt,
It's like it's getting dyed, absolutely.
or it's going to melt them.
So what's changing? What's changing in the water?
That's actually just turning blue. And that's
So
what's
it's changing the color, and that one's not changing at all because we haven't done anything to that one. But now we're
Everyone
going to
does something-
change that other one. I'm going to go ahead and put in another ice cube and watch what happens.
What's gonna happen?
How is it changing? How is that changing?
Oh, the bubbles. It's coming up.
The bubbles are coming up, yeah.
Like you shake it.
Yeah, why do you think that's happening?
Because like there's like something else, and the reason why this one isn't what's it? The reason why this one isn't doing anything is because it didn't have the baking soda like that.
Yeah, so the
that
baking
one,
soda
so-
changed the way the water behaved and the ice cube behaved. Now, did the ice cube just do that in just plain water? Did it bubble like that?
Not like that.
No, not like that. It looked a little different, maybe a little bit of bubbling.
Yeah. The reason why that happened is because another thing came in here when we put extra water and something happened with that one.
Yeah, yeah.
She's doing an experiment.
She's doing some serious sciencing.
She'll come play in a minute, Parker.
Okay.
Awesome. Well, that's it. You can keep experimenting if you want. You can try it again. Yeah, you can try shaking it up. See what happens.